flood warning for East Carroll Parish in northeast Louisiana. This includes the city of Lake Providence, West Carroll Parish in northeast Louisiana, Issaquah County in west central Mississippi, Sharkey County in west central Mississippi. This includes the city of Rolling Fork until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from a thunderstorm over the warned area. Estimated radar rainfall amounts on the order of 1 to 3 inches have occurred in the past 3 hours. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Shelburne, Milliken, Castaway, Delta City, Nidda-Yuma, Pantherburn, Grays, Oak Grove, and Dungilaberry. Heavy rainfall will continue over the warned area for the next 3 hours with an additional 1 to 3 inches possible. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where water covers the roadway. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, East Carroll and West Carroll, and the following counties in Mississippi, Issaquah and Sharkey. Flash flood watch remains. The National Weather Service's report has issued a flash flood warning for Caldwell Parish. This includes the city of Columbia, Jackson Parish. This includes the city of Jonesboro, Lincoln Parish. This includes the cities of Ruston, Grambling, Washita Parish. This includes the cities of West Monroe, Swartz, Monroe, Claiborne, Brownsville, Backenville, Union Parish, Wynn Parish. This includes the city of Winfield, Bienville Parish, Natchitoches Parish, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected showers and thunderstorms producing moderate to at times heavy rainfall over already saturated grounds across north-central Louisiana. Doppler radar and surface rain gauge reports indicate that widespread 2 to an excess of 4 inches of rain has fallen today, with several roads closed due to flooding, and many other roads covered in water. High water is also reported to be nearly in homes and portions of Monroe. This additional rainfall will only add to the ongoing flash flooding across the warned areas this evening. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Sterlington and Farmerville. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches, with isolated higher amounts, are possible in the warned area through 11 p.m. Be especially cautious at night, when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flash flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Scott County in central Mississippi until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of White Oak and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Pulaski around 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Homewood around 8:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Forest around 8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include Lake. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been